What's up, Buttercups? Autumn and Brandy in the kitchen today. And today we're gonna be making, what are we making?
Cookies candy.
Cookies, yes. And we cheated. We're just gonna do the easy bake cookies with M&Ms and chocolate chips. Huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
Here we go. Move.
Look who's been eating M&Ms.
There's chocolate on it.
You see the chocolate?
There's chocolate on it too.
M&Ms.
Immense.
Cookies
Cookies.
is what we're making. We are gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So we got the oven preheating to 350 degrees. I got my little helper here. We're gonna open the cookies.
Yeah. What?
What?
Wait. Let's get out.
Wait a minute. Look at the cookies. Okay, we're going to take the cookie dough. We're going to break it into, well, it says that it's cut, but it's not. Oh! Hang on, I got to get it all broke up. Okay, there we go. Now, Autumn, what I want you to do is try not to eat the M&Ms, okay?
Okay.
Put one of these right here. Can you put one of them on there? Put it right here. Put it right there. Okay, now we're going to pick another one. Put it right there. Take another one. Put it right there. No, right here. See, you got to put them on the round things. Okay?
Okay.
Take one. Put it right there.
Okay. Okay, here, that's all.
Don't pull the M&Ms off. You won't have any M&Ms to eat in the cookie. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Take that one. Put it right here.
Ow. Ow. Mm.
She's going to have all the M&Ms eaten before the cookies are even done.
Yum.
Okay. So, now that we got the cookies on the cookie sheet and the M&M monster eating, we're going to get it ready to go in the oven. Okay, so my oven is heated, and I'm going to take these cookies, put them in the oven for me and Autumn for 10 to 12 minutes until done. See you in a minute. Uh-oh.
What color is this?
What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow and color numbers.
What color is this? What color was that?
Orange.
Good job. What color is this? that orange?
Yeah.
What color is this?
Woo!
What are we waiting on? What are we doing?
Cookies.
Cookies, yeah. Are we baking cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got the spatula for the cookies?
Yeah.
Yep. Are you a good chef?
Yes. Hey, where's your hat?
Where's your hat?
Yeah.
You need your chef hat?
Yeah.
We'll have to buy you a chef hat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. What color is this?
Yellow is my favorite.
Yellow's your favorite? I thought pink was your favorite.
I think pink.
They don't make pink M&Ms. Not in the regular M&Ms. Say stick around.
Yum yum.
Say stick around.
Stick around.
We'll be back.
Here we go. This time.
So passing time till the cookies are ready.
Cookies are ready.
Cookies.
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 Okay, so we just took the cookies out the oven. I'm gonna let them sit for a couple minutes right here to let them cool. Then they're going on the cooling rack. And then we bake more. Guess what, y'all?
I think donuts.
The cookies are ready to be put on the cooling rack now. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Stay right here.
Oh, don't move.
Don't move. This is hot. No touchy, okay?
Okay.
No touchy. They gotta come over here to the cooling rack now. Now they gotta cool off. Okay?
Okay. I need to hold this straight.
No, you can't hold this, baby. It's hot.
I'll use my gloves on.
I know you got your gloves on. That's a good girl for getting her gloves on.
I'll use the whole gloves on. And I'll take on this. Yay!
No touchy. No touchy yet. They're hot. Look at that. Look at those cookies.
One button on the cookies.
Mmm. So these cookies are gonna cool, okay?
Okay.
And once these cookies cool off, we're gonna come back and eat them. Cause we're what? Are we cookie monsters?
Yeah.
Arr! Guess what, everybody? They are cooled and ready to eat. Are you ready for one?
Yeah. I want
Get you one.
This one.
How does it taste? What does it taste like?
Tastes like blueberry.
Blueberry.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yes.
Is it, look at the camera, tasty cookies?
Yeah. I'm taking this one. I'll use this one.
Okay.
What? Chocolate out.
Tell everybody we got cookies.
We got cookies.
Look. Then we got cookies.
We got cookies.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Hey, look.
See you later.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, I'm gonna eat my cookies now.
And I eat my cookies now.